And I'm Mia. Today we're taking in the colors of Pietermaai Punda. Follow us! We're here with Evita, hairstylist and makeup artist.
Hello Mia, hello Luna.
Why do you think people use makeup?
Because they really want to enhance their beauty. You know, beauty comes from within. So if you can show whatever you have inside, you will feel better about yourself and then you can shine.
What inspired you to become a makeup artist?
I did once a green eyeliner and then all my friends saw this and they all wanted the green eyeliner. Then there was a prom party and then everybody asked me, can you do my makeup and can you do my hair? And I just did it. And that's when it all started.
Wow. How has growing up in Curaçao influenced your sense of style?
Well, in Curacao, we always have a lot of colors. And so that's also something that really inspired me. I always wanted to do colors that don't really match.
What makes people from Curaçao beautiful?
I think people from Curaçao are always happy. Their faces, they're always laughing and always even if something is very sad, they always try to make something out of it.
Do you think makeup is powerful?
Yes, I think makeup is very powerful because makeup can make you feel good. Like for example, if one day I wake up and I'm a bit meh, I just pop on a little color like I have now, the pinkish. I was very nervous today, but I put my pink lipstick. I'm like, okay, you can do this.
What do you think makeup has taught you as a person?
Listening, being patient, knowing what you want. You don't have to wear it for anyone but yourself. If you want to do a lot, it's up to you. If you want to be very natural, it's up to you. Everybody is beautiful. You know what I mean?
Have you done makeup for famous people?
I have. I did Akisha Albert. I also did a lot of films. I did some hair for the Venga Boys. Do you guys know the Venga Boys?
Yes.
You know the song?
Yes.
The Venga Boys is coming. Hey, and the video clip was also made in Curaçao.
Really?
Yes, and after that they did Hot, Hot, Hot.
Wow.
Oh, Chantal Weirds. That's our Miss Universe from now.
Can you teach us your #1 makeup tip?
Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
When I'm gonna do blush, yeah, I love blush. I love blush. On every skin color, that's also something. On every skin color, I love a good blush, right? So when I'm gonna put your blush, I'm gonna tell you, laugh for 10 seconds.
Wow. What?
Why? Because then I see the apples of your cheek.
Oh.
And then I pop it on and I pop it on.
Wow.
That's
brilliant. Could you give us one more tip?
Luna, I know something better. This is kind of mascara, but for your eyebrows. you?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you, Evita. We feel amazing.
Oh, you're welcome.
But we're not done yet. We need to take photographs of this. Part 2, getting the perfect island photograph. Follow